Here to our online school Karthalia from Amabandhu Ramirmalla Secondary School. I am Akim Shami. I am going to take a online session. Today's my session class is class 8 section A, subject English second paper, topic narration. Now I am going to present you the lovely session on narration. Today I shall discuss you about this changing of person in narration. Changing person is a vital portion of changing narration. Here is a chart hanging on the board. This chart clearly shows you that there are three persons: first person, second person, and third person. All persons are divided into two numbers. It is first person, it is also first person. It is the first person singular number and it is plural number. In the middle row there is the second person. It is second person singular and second person. In the below gap it is the second person plural. At last in the third row it is the third person. In this box there is the third person. They are the singular number and they are the and the below chart are the plural numbers. There are three persons. When we change the narration from direct to indirect, we have to change persons within inverted comma or space. Now I am going to write down the changing rules of persons in the changing narration. You have to look at the board. For example, he said to me, I am busy. This is a part of a direct speech and this is the another part of direct speech. This is called reporting verb and this is reported speech. Locally we call it the part within 66 and 99, and the output of 66 and 99 is reporting verb. Every reporting verb must contain a subject, a verb, and there may be object. The object may be or may not be. In the inverted within the inverted comma, persons will be changed. The rules of person changing. Here we can see a person. It is first person. The rules of changing person. If there is any first person within the inverted comma, here I also say you any kind of first person. Any kind of first person will be turned into the subject of reporting verb. Here the first person is I and it will be turned into according to the subject of this reporting verb. If the reporting verb is third person, the first person will be turned into third person. If it is second person, the first person will be turned into second person, and if it is the first person, it will remain unchanged. Here I have to say that first person is not only I. In the box there are 10 first person. There is a clear distinction among them. There are difference of number, case. Here I will see I. Me is also first person. We is also first person. But what is the distinction among the person? I, it is first person, singular number, and nominative case. When you will change the person, you will have to identify very clearly which person is it, what is the number of it, and what is the case of it. If you are able to understand the case, number, and person of this person, then you will have to turn its reporting verb of first person, reporting verb of reporting subject of reporting verb. Here I is a first person and it will be turned into the subject according to the subject of the reporting verb. Here the subject of reporting verb is he. And what is the number of this person? We have to identify. He is third person. Remember it. All first person will be turned into the subject of reporting verb. First person may be singular or plural. If it is will, it will also be turned into according to the subject of this reporting verb. What is the distinction between I and we? It is also first person, it is nominative case, and we is also first person. But there is a discrimination between the two subject, two first person. It is first person, plural number, nominative case. When the subject is I, when the person is I, then it will be also changed into the according to the subject of reporting verb. When the person is we, it will also be turned into the subject of reporting verb. What will happen if there is I or there is we? If there is I will have to find out its number and case. I is first person, singular number and nominative case. It will be turned into the according to the subject. Here the subject is he, it is first person. It may be singular or plural. I have also said you will be very careful. It is third person. It may be changed, but which person is changed? You will have to be understand very clearly. It may be either singular or plural. If it is singular, the changing, the turning person will be singular. If it is plural, it will be turned into plural. If we say it I, it will be changed into first person, singular, nominative. It will be turned into subject. Here subject is third person, so it will be third person, singular number and nominative case. Nominative case. In the box, we see that third person singular. Here is third person singular nominative, he, she. Here is also him, her. It is also third person, but there is the difference of case. It is nominative, so he, she is the nominative case of third person. So here I will be turned into either he or she. Here I have to say that this is the subject of reporting verb is he. It is masculine, so the changing person will be he. Here I will be turned into he. But if there is first person we, it will be turned into they. Why? You may ask me why. It is also for it is first person, we also first person. But when it would be turned into he, but we, it would be they, because I is first person singular nominative and we is first person plural nominative. You should be very careful that the subject of reporting verb is he. It is third person singular, but he, they. It is not permanent. We shall find out the gender of this subject. The gender of this subject. If there is any feminine gender, it will be turned into she. But here is he. It will be turned into he. It is masculine, so he. If we call here we, it will be turned into according to the subject of reporting verb. Their reporting verb is he. So we have to be very careful. It is singular but it is plural. You will be very careful that what are you going to change? We are not going to change he, but we are going to change we. If we is singular, the changing person will be singular. If we is plural, the changing person will be plural. Here is he, it is singular. But when I, it is he, but when we, it is they. You will have to be very careful the number of the person which you are going to change. If you miss here, the person changing will be wrong. If you understand this solve very carefully before going to solve narration problems, you will have to clear idea about the persons. Here there is three row of persons. They are also divided into two numbers, singular, plural. There are 10 first persons. Among them, 5 is singular, first person singular, and another 5 is first person plural. I is also first person, we is also first person. But I is singular, we is plural. You will have to remember it that if you miss here, I is singular, but if you understand it as a plural, your changing number will be plural. Along with them, you will have to understand the case of these persons. If there may change any other case of first person. Now I am going to remove this writing and writing another example. Wait a bit. I am going to write down the another example of changing persons. You will be very careful on the blackboard to see the writing of my session. There is another example, dear learners. You should look at the board very carefully. There is also a reporting verb and it is reporting speech. In our previous example, I have mentioned that within inverted comma it is called reported speech, and without inverted comma it is called reporting verb. Here is also a first person. Me, it is also a first person. In our last example, there was the first person I, and me is also the first person. Me will also be turned according to the subject of reporting verb. Here, me will be turned into third person because the subject of this reporting verb is he. It is third person, so this first person will be turned into third person. Me, I have to know very well what is me. What is not only the person of this word, I have to know number of this word and case. Me, what is the introduction of me, identification of me? Me is first person, me is singular number, and me is objective case. When we shall change the person, we shall be very careful which person I am going to change, what is its in the person, what is its number and case. Here I have identified first person singular number objective case. It will be turned into third person because first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Here the subject of reporting verb is he. It is third person. Now you will have to find out the number. It is singular number. Singular number and case. It is first person singular objective. It will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Here the subject of reporting verb is he. he is third person. So changing will be formed according to its number and case. It is single number, so which number or which person will come, it would be also singular number, and it is objective case, so the coming person's case will be objective. According among these are, we can see third person singular objective, him and her. It is masculine gender, so it will be him. Sorry, him. Me has been turned into him. Me is first person singular objective case. Me is first person, so first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Here the subject of reporting verb is he, so first person will be turned into third person. Here first person singular number, it will be turned into third person singular number. Here it is objective case, so it will also be turned into objective case. We know that the third person singular number objective case is him, her. It is masculine gender, so him. Now I am going to write another example. I have already discussed first person singular, plural and case. I am going to write down another example among first persons. You will be very careful to understand this changing. If you are careful, you will not miss this. We have also discussed in our physical class. This is online class, so there is no scope for asking any question. So you should be very careful, and you may ask me in another way. In this sentence, in this reported issue, there is also another first person. It is our. I have to identify what is our, which person is our. Our is first person. It is plural number. And it is possessive case. I have also mentioned which persons you are going to change. You will be sure that which persons you are going to change. You will have to know its persons, its number and case. Our is first person plural possessive. Our, if we look at the box, there is our. It is first person plural and possessive case. Sorry. It is also first person, so all first persons will be turned according to the subject of reporting verb. Here subject of reporting verb is he. It is third person. So first person our will be turned into third person. Here first person our is plural number, so this third person will be plural. It is possessive case, so here will be possessive. I have to mention here that our is plural, but the subject of this reporting verb is singular. It does not matter. We are going to change our. If our is plural, the changing person will be plural. If our is singular, it will be turned into singular. It may be singular or plural. We shall find out here that it's person and gender. There is a plus point that our is plural, so there is no discrimination in plural number about gender. Here our is first person plural number possessive case. First person will be turned into third person according to the subject of reporting verb. Here the subject of reporting verb is he. Here the subject of reporting verb he is third person. So this person our will be turned into third person, and the number of our is plural, so the coming number will be plural, and the case of our is possessive case. So the coming number, turning number will be also positive. And we know that the plural number of third person plural possessive is our. So here, sorry, there. So our will be turned into there. Sweet learners, you know that there is limitation of teaching in online session. It's a new method. Due to corona situation, we have to cope up with this new system. There may be some lags, gaps, but we are trying to do better. So you will be very careful and join our online class. If you join our online class, it may help more or less to develop your career. Wishing you all well-being. No more today. Bye.